So at this point, we have discussed what a literary essay is. We can understand the characteristics of an essay, write a thesis statement and a topic introduction. We can also then begin to prove our thesis statement with reasons and evidence, as well as using detailed examination. So now we need to wrap it all up. So we're going to talk about how to write a conclusion. And this is important because we want to make sure that we are going to restate the argument, which is our thesis. But also, this important piece here, we want to share a new understanding. And keeping in mind that if we restate, that means not the same words as in your topic introduction. You want new words to explain what you feel the theme is. And basically, you're going to bring it all to an end, right? You want to wrap up your thinking here and you want to put in all your final thoughts. So, for our conclusion, we want to focus in on some sort of powerful thought. So, why is this important? So, the theme of a text is usually to teach us a lesson. So, what lesson are we learning? What lesson are we learning by reading this book? And why is it important in our real life? And that's where we make that connection. If you restate the thesis again, be sure that you are not using those same exact words. But you can also end, if you wanted, with a question to think about. Now, if you're going to end with a question for the reader to think about, you want to focus on the theme or the lesson learned. Okay, not the book itself, but actually the theme. So if the theme is to be kind, you want to ask a question that's going to give the reader something to think about and how they're being kind in the world. Okay, so really pulling back to the theme. Everything we do, these powerful thoughts, why they're important, everything needs to go back to that theme that you put in your thesis statement. And remember, if you can't remember what your theme is, you can go back to your topic introduction and you wrote a sentence that stated the theme. You chose the theme of your text, and then you chose 3 reasons. And those 3 reasons are what you've spent all this time proving. Now, in your conclusion, you're going back to what you identified the theme as. And pretty much wrapping it up, making a strong connection to real world and how this lesson can help you as a person.